Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a wrap-in around the world. Now, the wrap-in around the world is the more advanced version of the wrap-in roll-through, which means it's going to be a lot easier to learn it if you already know the wrap-in roll-through. So my advice, if you don't already know it, head off, check out the wrap-in roll-through clip, learn that, and then come back for the more advanced version. Now, without further ado, we'll show you it. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. So, this is basically the wrap-in roll-through, but with more rotation. The timing is exactly the same. So, we start off man's left, lady's right, we semicircle, we offer the hand, we move back, we come in and flat, just like you would for a Wurlitzer, just like you would for a wrap-in roll-through. You send the lady out, do the prep as usual, guys get out of the way. Difference to the wrap-in roll-through, as we do the wrap, so pull down to the right, ladies coming in, solid, but not overly hard contact down that right hand side. Instead of stopping and then rolling the lady out, as you hit this position, you keep walking. So you're going around each other, so there's a little bit of a walk around, but there's no extra time for it. It's just the fact that you don't stop. Look over the right shoulder, pull with the right hand, you roll the lady back to where she was. And again, the guys get out of the way and we repeat. So we wrap, keep moving, and roll back to where the lady was. While you're practicing and learning, if you don't make a full 360, maybe you do 3/4 instead of through and out and doing half. It's a good intermediate step to working up to do a 360. And then it's just offering the hand, switching as we come in, do a travelling return, and you're done. So the timing, as I said, is exactly the same as the wrap-in roll-through. So let's walk through it. It goes back 1, in and flat 2, preparation 3, wrapping in 4, keeping walking, rolling out 5, preparation 6, wrapping 7, rolling out 8, offering the hand 1, over the top 2, and finish on 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a wrap-in round the world. We go, offer, flat, out, wrap, roll, look, wrap, roll, offer, over, and look. And one final extra, ladies, have a good look at Karen's spare arm when she does this, yeah, because you can make this look miles better by having a flowing spare arm and adding some height to it. And fellas, for you, when you send the lady out and you're doing your prep, you have time to add extra bits and pieces. So we're going to do it one last time. Ladies, if you pay close attention to Karen's arm, spare arm, and guys, have a think about what you're going to do with your feet on the way out. So one last time. 5, a 6, a wrap-in round the world. We go, offer, flat, out, wrap, roll, fellas, wrap, roll, ladies, arm, over the top, and look. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Modern Jive intermediate clip. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end as always to give you something nice to practice to. See you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.